Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1969 Plymouth GTX. This car is numbers matching and done in the factory color scheme. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this GTX, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. Now as you look across the front, you can see the front bumper appears to have been replaced and is in excellent condition, along with all the stainless here as well. It'll also give you your first opportunity to look down the sides. You can see it there, straight as an arrow. Now as we make our way around the driver's side, you can see that the fit of these panels is excellent. You'll also notice that your gaps here at the doors are even and symmetrical. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look at the interior. On the inside, this car is accented with the green, which flows beautifully from the inside to the out. As you can see, this car is a bucket seat and console car that has the wood grain accents. Now as you look across the dash, you'll notice that it's in excellent condition and all the gauges are working as they should. You'll also notice that we've got the wood grain accents here, which flow beautifully with the door panels and the console. Now as you come on around, you can see the door panels are in phenomenal condition as well. It'll also give you the opportunity to look at the seat covers, which are in like new condition, along with the carpet and the headliner. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. It'll give you the opportunity to take another look down the sides, and you'll also notice as we come across the back here that the rear bumper looks just as beautiful as the front. You'll also notice that all of your stainless and your lenses and your tail lights are gorgeous, along with the trim here on the trunk. Now as you come on around, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this GTX is. This medium green metallic paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and it's set off by these Magnum 500 wheels with the Firestone wide oval tires. Now the green, it's accented by the black stripes that's here on the hood, and as you can see, this GTX does have the air grabber option with the performance hood. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look under the hood of this Plymouth. As you can see, it's got a gorgeous detail. It does feature the 440 engine and it is numbers matching. Now it's got the correct radiator supports and it's got the fender tag as well. You'll also notice that this 440 is set up with the correct intake and it's got an Edelbrock carb. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this GTX, I'll get it pulled around there and put on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this GTX around there so that way you can get a good look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now that we have this GTX up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. From first glance, you can see that it all appears to be rock solid and looks like it would have when new in '69. The floors all look to be original with no signs of patch panels. Under the front, you can see that the suspension, bushings, and steering is all done in the factory style and in great condition. The matching numbers 440 engine is mated to the matching numbers 727 trans that goes out to the 8 3/4 inch rear end with around a 323 gear. For exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and the turbo style mufflers. You can see that the gas tank has been replaced and that all of the fuel and brake lines are in great condition. Now before we get this 69 down and on the highway, let's take another close look at the floors.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.